Welcome back, friends! In Canva Class 9, today we'll learn how to remove the background from any image professionally. There are many ways to remove a background. You can use Google Tools, background remover apps, or Canva's own background remover feature. However, Canva's background remover is available in the Pro version. So today, we'll use a free online background remover tool from Google. First, we'll remove the background there, then upload the image into Canva and continue our design professionally. Now, we have opened an app called Pixel Cut AI. In this app, we'll remove the image background professionally. First, click on Remove Background. Then, upload your image here and the tool will instantly remove the background automatically. After that, download the PNG image and go back to Canva. Now upload your background removed image into Canva and continue your design. This is one simple method. And yes, you can also remove backgrounds for free directly inside Canva using different techniques. Now, we'll remove an image background for free directly inside Canva. First, select your image. Then, go to the Apps section and search for Background Cleaner. You'll see the Background Cleaner app below. Click on it. Now click on Erase Background, and within a few seconds, it will automatically remove the background from your image. As you can see, the background has been removed very cleanly and professionally.